Hello everyone, and in this video we're gonna talk about the relational operators or the comparison operators. Okay, what these operators do, what are the function of these operators. They just only compare the operands, whether they are greater, equal to, not equal to, okay, so let's just check this out in this our code. I'm using the if condition. Okay, if you are not familiar with the if else condition, if else condition, and all their decision making conditions, so you can check out my recent video. This I will give the description in below, and you can check it out to learn about the if else condition if you don't know about it. But if you're familiar with it, you can just go with this video. All right, so we have a condition as a must be greater than, so a is equal to b. All right, here's the condition, print. All right, so this is the equal operator. Okay, what it does, how does it function? It function like, if both of the values are equal, then make the condition true, but if both of the values are not equal, then make the condition false. Okay, so if our condition here is true, no, our condition is not true, but I want to make it true here. So bingo is printed because our condition is true. Okay, we have another operator. This is not equal to operator. Okay, what it does, that, listen now carefully, that whenever the variables are not equal, it will make the condition true, but whenever the variables are equal, it will make the condition false. Now our variables are equal, so when I hit the run code, it won't execute this line because our condition is not true. In the case of not equal to operator, conditions are only true when the variables or operands are not equal. Alright, so it won't execute anything. Alright, but if I just give it a different value to the b variable, then we don't have a similar values here right now, so it will execute the bingo here. Alright, we also have the less than or equal to operator. Okay, what it does, what does it mean, that if the value of a is less than or equal to b, then print bingo. Okay, so this condition will only be executed or only be true when the value of a is less than or equal to b. Alright, okay, if we go with the this one, greater than or equal to operator. Okay, what does this operator mean? If a is greater than or equal to b, then print out the bingo. It means to execute the bingo or to make the condition true, a must be greater than or equal to b, but must not be the less than b. Alright, so this is our greater than or equal to condition. Okay, but we just remove the equal sign, then they are just equal operator or the less operator. This is the greater operator. So okay, what does this line mean? That if a is greater than b, then print bingo, but if it's not true, then don't print anything because we haven't give it any else condition. Alright, so for the this is the less operator. Okay, what does it mean? If a is less than b, then print bingo. So the condition will only be true when the value of the a is less than b. Alright, so these were the comparison operators or the relational operators which you're gonna use in the future. Enough for this video, and if you really find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.